Hello student, good morning to all of you. And we were studying about the rational number. Today we have to solve some question related to rational numbers. Question number first is write the following rational numbers with positive denominators. A 3 by minus 7, B minus 5 by minus 9. Question number second, express minus 3 by 7 as a rational number with numerator minus 21, numerator 15, denominator 24, denominator minus 4. Question number 3, which of the following are pairs of equivalent rational numbers? 1 by 4, comma 3 by 12, 4 by 9, comma 9 by 4, C minus 2 by 3, comma 3 by 2. So we start from question number first. Write the following rational numbers with positive denominators. First is A is 3 by minus 7. 3 by minus 7. You have to change the sign of denominator in positive. Denominator should be positive. Here we see that 3 by minus 7. Minus 7 is the denominator. It is negative. So you have to change it into positive. We know that if we multiply by same rational number in denominator and numerator, the value of the rational number does not change. यदि हम किसी रेशनल नंबर में किसी भी रेशनल नंबर से उसके न्यूमरेटर में उसके डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू बदलती नहीं. डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव, here denominator is negative. So if you have to change it positive, so we know that the multiplication of negative same sign is positive. जानते हैं कि सेम साइन का, क्योंकि if you multiply minus into minus, then it will be positive. 3 by minus 7. 7 should be, according to it, denominator should be positive denominator. So we multiply minus 1 into minus 1 because the sign of same sign, the product of same sign will be positive. So if minus is given, you have to change that positive, you have to multiply by 1. यदि कोई डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव दिया है उसको पॉजिटिव बनाना है तो उसको -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं डिनोमिनेटर में और न्यूमरेटर में. अगर पॉजिटिव दिया है नेगेटिव बनाना है तो उसको -1 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई इन डिनोमिनेटर बाय -1, so you have to multiply also in numerator by 1. So the product of the first of all we multiply the sign. Here before 3 there is positive sign, before 1 there is negative. So product of opposite sign is minus. 3 1 ja 3. Product of same sign minus minus is plus. 7 1 ja 7. So this is your answer. Minus 3 by 7. We have changed the denominator into positive. Here in question denominator was negative, but we change here denominator into positive. Second B minus 5 by minus 9. You know, here you have to change denominator. Denominator is negative, you have to change it into positive. So we have to multiply -9. If you multiply negative sign with negative signs, the answer is positive. So you have to multiply in denominator by -1, and by the same ratio number you have to multiply also in numerator. उसी नंबर से मैं डिनोमिनेटर, क्योंकि यहाँ माइनस है इसलिए -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो माइनस 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 प्लस, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सेम साइन इज पॉजिटिव, 5 1 जा 5, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सेम साइन इज पॉजिटिव, 9 1 जा 9. So here we change -5 by -9 is equal to 5 by 9. Here one fact, here we know that division of same sign is positive. So according to question we have changed the denominator into numerator. किसी भी डिनोमिनेटर को अगर पॉजिटिव बनाना है, अगर नेगेटिव दिया है तो -1 से मल्टीप्लाई डिनोमिनेटर में भी करते हैं और न्यूमरेटर में भी करते हैं. इसी तरह से अगर न्यूमरेटर को पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव बनाना है तो सेम पॉजिटिव बनाना है, अगर नेगेटिव दिया है तो न्यूमरेटर में भी -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और डिनोमिनेटर में भी. पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव बनाने के लिए यही साइन का यूज करते हैं. अगर नेगेटिव बनाना है, पॉजिटिव दिया है तो -1 से दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. नेगेटिव दिया है, पॉजिटिव बनाना है तो -1 से ही मल्टीप्लाई हमें करना होता है, चाहे पॉजिटिव बनाना हो चाहे नेगेटिव. यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई by -1 in numerator and denominator. If we have to change the denominator or numerator positive or negative. So this is the solution of question number first. Let we take the second question. Second question, express question number second. Solution A, -3/7. Express -3/7 as a rational number with numerator should be -21. So first of all, numerator should be, if you multiply by same rational number in denominator and numerator, the value of rational number does not change. एक किसी रेशनल नंबर से डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर दोनों में मल्टीप्लाई या डिवीजन करते हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगी. Here we have to change. Here denominator is negative. Here denominator should be also negative. Here numerator -20. What is rational number? 3/7. Here sign of numerator is negative, so there is no need to change the sign because sign is same. Denominator is same. Numerator should be 21. So you have to divide this numerator by 3, like 21 divided by 3. 3 7 जा 21. What is percent? 7. So if you say multiply 7, 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Division, divided and percent. It should be here. So division multiply quotient. 3 into 7. Because if you multiply 3 by 7, the answer will be 21. Because numerator should be 21. So we multiply -3 into 7. And we know that if you multiply by the numerator by any rational number, you have to also multiply in denominator by the same rational number. So 3 multiply 7 into 7 into 7. So the answer will be minus plus. The product of opposite sign is negative. 3 7 ja 21. 7 7 ja 49. Here A. Numerator is 21 minus 21 and denominator there is no need to say, but in this in first option he is asking to change the numerator. So here we have changed the numerator minus 21. Take B. B numerator is equal to 50. Solution. Original decimal number is minus 3 by 7. Here numerator should be 15. Here sign is negative but numerator, here numerator is negative but you have to change numerator into positive. First of all we have to take care about the sign. First we solve the sign, then number. Here there is negative but numerator should be positive. So we have to multiply by negative. 3 minus 3 into minus 7 into. Sign is clear because here minus 3 is negative. So you have to multiply by negative. Now divide 15 by 3. 15 by 3. 3 5s are 15. So you have to multiply by 5. 5 minus 5 and you have to also multiply in denominator by minus 5. Answer is minus. The product of same sign is positive. So 3 5s are 15 and minus plus minus is minus. 7 5s are 35. So here we have changed the minus 3 into numerator 50. So it is clear. Take example option C. Option C is denominator is equal to 24. Solution. Original decimal number is minus 3 by 6. Here denominator is 24. Here denominator, first of all we have to see the sign. Here 7 is positive denominator, so the denominator should be positive because it is also plus and it is also plus sign. So you have now we divide 24 by 7. 24 by 7. Sorry, this should be 49. 49 and denominator 14. There was some mistake here in option C and so it should be 49. Now see, option is denominator is equal to 49 Here 7 is positive, denominator should be positive. So we divide 49 by 7. 49 by 7. 7 7 ja 49. So we have to multiply in denominator by 7 and also in numerator. Minus 3 into 7, 7 into 7 is equal to minus 7 3 ja 21, 7 7 ja 49. Here denominator 49. Here we have changed the denominator into 49. Now option B. Option B, denominator. Denominator is 40. Original rational number is minus 3 by 7. Here denominator is positive, here also. So there is no need to change the sign. Now divide 40 by 7. 7 2 ja 40. So we have to multiply by 2 in denominator and also in numerator. Minus 3 into 2, 7 into 2 is equal to opposite sign, product of opposite sign is negative. 3 2 ja 6, 7 2 ja 14. So here we have changed denominator into 40. So this is the solution of question number 2. Now this way you have to change numerator and denominator. By this you have to take the help of this video and you can solve many questions related to this question. Now we have to solve question number 3. Which of the following are pairs of equivalent rational numbers? First is A 1 by 4, 3 by 12. Solution. When any two rational numbers are given, if in the question it is asked the pair is equivalent or not. So you have to multiply the numerator of first rational number and the denominator of second rational number should be equal the numerator of second rational number and the denominator of first rational number. So numerator of first rational number into denominator of second rational number. Numerator of first rational number is 1. Denominator of second rational number is 12. Is equal to 12 1 ja 12. Now numerator of second rational number into denominator of first rational number is equal to numerator 1. Numerator of second rational number is 3. Denominator of first rational number is 4. 4 3 ja 12. Here we see that numerator of first rational number and denominator of second rational number and numerator of second rational number, denominator of first. The product of both, product of this is equal to this. So you can say that 1 by 4 and 3 by 12 are pairs of equivalent rational number. So this is the solution of option A. Now take the option number B. B is 4 by 9 comma 9 by 4. Solution. Numerator of first rational number into denominator of second rational number. Numerator is 4, denominator is 4, is equal to 4 4 ja 60. Now numerator of second rational number into denominator of first rational number. Numerator 9 into 9 is equal to 81. Here we see that product of first numerator of first rational number and the denominator of second rational number is 60, but product of numerator of second rational number and the denominator of first rational number is 80. Both are not equal. So 4 by 9 and 9 by 4 are not pair of equivalent rational number. Now with the help of this question you can also solve option number C. Here when you solve option number C, the product multiplication of numerator of first rational number and denominator of second rational number. So minus minus plus 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9. Both are not equal. So C will also not be the pair of equivalent rational number. So all of you can solve this type question with the help of this solution. You have to watch this video clearly, and after seeing the video, after watching the video, you will be able to solve this types of question from your exercise book. So it is sufficient for today. I think all of you have understood it. So we see in next video. Thanks.